And I think let's start off with the naira. Looking at the naira's performance, it's remained fairly stable, strengthened to the highest levels in the last 3 weeks. What is your take on its performance?
Oh, hi, Uche. The naira has actually been appreciating this week, mainly because of the the inflow of the naira has been appreciating this week mainly because of there's been a lot of inflow of dollars into the market. We wouldn't see much of an appreciation next week. It'll probably depreciate a little bit next week because most of the inflows have come in this week.
Right, and certainly looking at what's going on over the WDAS auction, we're seeing demand softening. Actually, 180 million offered on Monday, 164 sold, and only $80 million offered on Wednesday. I mean, what's your take on demand there?
Well, because 180 was offered on Monday and only 164 were sold, this is the reason for the reduced amount that was offered on Wednesday.
Right.
The price is still the same as on Monday. It was 157.32.
Right, Yewande, but let's check in what's going on in the cocoa markets. As I said earlier in one of our top stories, the market expected a surplus. In fact, they said a 20% increase in output was expected. But you say, I mean, this year we're now expecting a shortfall instead.
I'm sorry, I didn't get your question.
Cocoa, looking at the cocoa market, we expected an output to increase by about 20%. But you say actually we're going to see a shortfall this year instead.
Oh, yes. Well, the market has been depreciating, particularly over this week. It currently fell below its 100-day moving average. And because of that, it's probably going to fall a little bit more than that. The dollar has been appreciating lately because of what is happening in the Eurozone. The speech that Draghi gave on Thursday gave indications that there is going to be more woes befalling the Eurozone. And the Eurozone, as I indicated earlier on, is the highest consumer of chocolate, which is the main ingredient for cocoa. The cocoa market appreciated briefly last week because of what happened. Because of speculation of dry weather in the West African countries, especially Ivory Coast, Ghana, but less so Nigeria.
Right.
Okay.
Now go ahead, Yewande.
I was going to say that the derivative of cocoa, which is the cocoa butter, has actually, in contrast, been increasing over the week. It's at the highest ratio right now compared to the cocoa prices. It's selling at almost double the price of cocoa, which is something that hasn't been seen since October 2009, I believe.
Right.
This is mainly because of concerns that has happened because of the removal of subsidy that is going to be taking effect in Ivory Coast this season.